Are you curious about how much iCloud storage you have left on your iPhone? Knowing your available storage can help you manage your backup photos and other files effectively. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check your iCloud storage. First, open Settings on your iPhone. At the top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and profile picture. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. In the Apple ID menu, find and tap on iCloud. Here, you'll see a bar graph showing your iCloud storage usage at the top of the screen. Tap on Storage to get more detailed information about how your storage is being used. Now, at the top of the Manage Storage screen, you'll also see the total amount of iCloud storage you have, along with how much is available. Below it, you'll see a list of apps that are using iCloud storage. By following these steps, you can easily check your iCloud storage on your iPhone and manage it as needed. If you find you're running low on space, consider deleting unnecessary backups or upgrade your storage plan. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask for more support.